Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to start our next exercise 6.2. This is also all about factorization. Question number 1 is sorry, factorize the following. So part 1 is 25a plus 30b plus 5c. So we should have to take a common factor which is less common and comes in all other tables. So 5 is the less common factor which also comes in the table of 25 and in the table of 30. So we make it a common, and the rest one is 5a plus 6b plus c. 5 5 is 25a plus 5 6 is 30b plus 5 multiply 1 is 5c. So this is our answer. And the next question is 8ab plus 4bc plus 12d. Next question is 8ab plus 4bc plus 12bd. So we should have to again take a common factor which is less common factor. So this is a 4b. So we take 4b common. So when we take a 4b as a common, so we have 2a plus c 1c plus 3d. So when you multiply 4b into this polynomial which is in the bracket, so you will get the same answer, that is 8ab plus 4bc plus 12bd. Thank you. Next part is AL into PQ plus QR plus BM into PQ plus QR, and the third one is CN into PQ plus QR. So you are noticing that we have the same common factor PQ plus QR in all the factors. So we take it common, PQ plus QR as a common, and we left part is AL plus BM plus CN. So our fourth part is 3t square minus 6t cube plus 95, 9t power 5. So we again taking less common factor which comes in all the tables, in 6 table and in 9 table. So that is 3. So we take 3t square as a common. 3t square multiplied by 1 minus 3t square multiplied by 2t and plus 3t square multiplied by 3t cube. So when we multiply it, we get the same answer. That is our question. So there you can see that 3t square we are going to take it common, and 1 minus 2t plus 3t cube is our required answer. Next part is 5. You can see over here that 2x square y cube plus 2x power 4 y minus 3x cube y square minus 3xy 4. So you should have to make it a common factor. So when we take 2x square into y as a common factor, so just multiply it with all factors. 2x square y into y square plus 2x square y into x square, and this is our 2x square y is our common factor. And in the second part, minus 3x y square, we should take it common. Minus 3x square minus 3xy square minus 3xy square is the common. Multiply it xy, multiply it x square, and then minus 3xy square, multiply it with y square. So you will see the common factors, which is 2x square y, and in second 3xy square. When we take it a common, so we will get the answer. 2x square y into y square plus x square minus 3xy square into x square y square. So we got two factors. One is 2x square y and the other one is 2x square y minus 3xy square, and the other one is x square plus y square. This is our required answer. In the next part 6, we can see that 2ax plus bx plus 6ay plus 3by. So again you will take, or you will make common factors. So in the first two terms we have x as a common, and in the second we got 3y as a common. So x plus 3y is one factor, and the second factor is 2a plus b. So this is our required answer. In the seventh part, we have 2yx plus 18y square plus 3zx plus 27zy. So again you will make common factors. So 2y is going to be common. So 2y is common factor. 2y multiply with x, and 2y multiply it with 9y. And in this remaining terms we get 3z as a common, 3z common into x plus 3z multiply it with 9y. So you will see that we got two common factors. One is 2y and the other one is 3z. So we have 2y as a common. So x plus 9y in the bracket, x plus 9y in the bracket, and the second common is 3z, and in the bracket x plus 9y. So we again got two factors. One is 2y plus 3z, and the second one is x plus 9y. X plus 9y, and you can see that 2y plus 3z is our one factor, and the second factor is x plus 9y. This is our required answer. In the 8th part, you can see that we have a square plus 14ab plus 49b square. So there is a logic. You will make it a perfect square, and you know that the formula of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to suppose that let a is equal to a and b is equal to 7b. Then by putting these values into a plus b whole square formula, we get a plus 7b whole square is equal to a plus 7b whole square is equal to a square plus 2 into a into 7b plus 7b whole square. So when you simplify it, you will see a plus 7b whole square is equal to a square plus 14ab plus 49b square. So you can see that this is equal to the part of the question which is given. So you can easily write a plus 7b whole square instead of a square plus 14ab plus 49b square is actually equal to a plus 7b whole square. So you can write a plus 7b whole square instead of this, and a plus 7b whole square is equal to a plus 7b into a plus 7b. Why? Because we know that the power bases are same, power can be added. We are going to split it over here. So this is our required answer. In the next part we have y square minus 34y plus 289. Again same, but there is a minus formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to suppose that let a is equal to y and b is equal to 17. Why? Because square of 17 is 289. So when we are going to put these values into a minus b whole square formula, when we put these values into this formula, we get is y square minus 2 into y into 17 plus 17 whole square. When you simplify it, you will see that y minus 17 whole square will be equal to y square minus 34y plus, in the rough work you can see that 17 multiplied 17 is equal to 289. So this answer is actually equal to the our question y square minus 34y plus 289. So y square minus 34y plus 289 is actually equal to y minus 17 whole square. This is a perfect formula, perfect square formula complete. So you can write y minus 17 whole square instead of this. So we are going to write y minus 17 whole square, but y minus 17 whole square is actually equal to y minus 17 into y minus 17. This is our required answer. In the next part we have t square minus 12t plus 36. Again same, a minus b whole square formula. When you open it, we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to suppose that let a is equal to t, let a is equal to t and b is equal to 6. Let a is equal to t and b is equal to 6. So again by putting these values into this a minus b whole square formula, you will get t minus 6 whole square is equal to t square minus 2 into t into 6 plus 6 whole square. When you simplify it, you will get t minus 6 whole square is equal to t square minus 12t plus 36, which is actually equal to our question which is given. So you can write t square t minus 6 whole square instead of t square minus 12t. So t minus 6 whole square is equal to t minus 6 whole square is equal to 2 times t minus 6 into t minus 6, which is our required answer. The next question number 2, there is a part k square minus 81. You should have to factorize it. So we can see that we know the formula of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So this formula is going to use over here. So 81 is the perfect square of 9. So you can write 9 whole square instead of 81. And there you can see that a minus a square minus b square is actually equal to a plus b into a minus b. So k square minus 9 square is looking as a formula a square minus b square. So you can write it k plus 9 into k minus 9, which is our required answer. In the next part we have a square. In the next part we know that the formula of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So in the next part we have 36d square minus 1. So you know that 36 is the perfect square of 6. So you write 6d whole square instead of 36d square, and you know that 1 is the perfect square of 1. So you can write 1 whole square. So this again becomes like a formula a square minus b square. So you will write 2 times 6d plus 1 into 6d minus 1, which is our required answer. In this next part we have 25a square minus 49b square. So you know that 25 is the perfect square of 5 and 49 is the perfect square of 7. So you can write 5a whole square instead of 25a square and 7b whole square instead of 49b square. So this again becomes like a formula a square minus b square. So you will write 2 times 5a plus 7b into 5a minus 7b. One factor will be in plus and the second one is in minus. This is our required answer. In the next part we have 169 x square and minus 144 y square. You know that 169 is the perfect square of 13 and 144 is the perfect square of 12. So you can write 13x whole square instead of 169 x square and 12y whole square instead of 144 y square. You can check in the rough work that 13 multiplied 13 is equal to 169 and 12 multiplied 12 is equal to 144. So you can write these factors. Again this becomes like a formula of a square minus b square. So you can write two factors, one in plus and the second one in minus. 13x square minus 12y whole square is equal to 13x plus 12y and multiply it with 13x minus 12y. These are the two factors, one is in plus and the second one in minus. This is our required answer. In the next part we have 4 terms. So first 3 terms you should have to make a perfect square of first 3 terms, then make it with the 4 term. So 4m square minus 4mn plus n square minus 36b square is given. So you can see that we have wrote first 3 terms in brackets. So you will make it a perfect square. So you know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's suppose we are going to suppose that let a is equal to 2m and b is equal to n. A is equal to 2m and b is equal to n. So by putting these values into a minus b whole square formula, you will get 2m minus n whole square is equal to 2m whole square minus 2 into 2m into n plus n whole square. So when you simplify it, you will get 4m square minus 4mn plus n square. So this is actually equal to 4m square minus 4mn plus n square, which is the part of our question. So you can write 2m minus n whole square instead of this. So we are going to write 2m minus n whole square this is given 4m square minus 4m n plus n square minus 36b square. This is given, but we know that 4m square minus 4mn plus n square is actually equal to 2m minus n whole square. So we should have to write it over here minus 36b square, and 36 is the perfect square of 6, you know that. So you write 6b whole square instead of 36b square. So again you can see that there we have a look like formula a minus b, a square minus b square. In this case a is equal to 2m minus n and b is equal to 6b. So again we got two factors, one in the form of plus and the second one in minus. In next part we have 64a square plus 32ab plus 4b square minus 9c square. And you can see that I wrote underline over here on the first three terms. Why? Because we are going to make it a perfect square. So you know that 64a minus 32b, 64a square plus 32ab plus 4b. If you have a doubt, so make it by supposition that let a is equal to 8a and b is equal to 2b. So by putting these values into a plus b whole square formula, you will get the same answer which is given. So we can write 8a plus 2b whole square instead of 64a square plus 32ab plus 4b square minus 9c square. So we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So in this case we have 8a plus 2b is equal to a and 9c is equal to b. So you will write it in two factors, one in the form of plus and second one in minus. Again in the next part we have x square minus 6y plus 9y square minus 4z square. So first three terms make it a perfect square, and we know that x square minus 6xy plus 9y square is actually equal to x minus 3y whole square. So we wrote x minus 3y whole square instead of x square minus 6xy plus 9y square and minus 4z square as it is. So you can see that this again becomes in the form of a square minus b square. So you will get two factors, one in the form of plus and the second one in minus. In the next part we have x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 4z square. So first three terms make it a perfect square, then make a square minus b square formula. So x, we know that x square plus 2xy plus y square is actually equal to x plus y whole square. So we write x plus y whole square instead of x square plus 2xy plus y square and minus 4z square. So this again becomes in the form of a square minus b square. So you will write two factors, one in the form of plus and the second in the form of minus. So we have two factors. This is our required answer. This is our lecture all about. I hope you understand. See you in the next class. Thank you.